Crust Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The Crust Wallet app is redefining how people think about cloud storage and blockchain. It's not just for holding tokens, it's your key to decentralized data management. But what are the real pros and cons of this unique wallet? Let's dive in. First, the pros. Crust Wallet is built on the Crust network, a decentralized cloud storage solution that competes with traditional services like Google Drive and Oz. The difference? It's fully powered by blockchain and community-run nodes, meaning your files are stored securely without a single point of failure or censorship. The wallet supports the native Crew token, which you can use for staking, governance, or paying for storage. You can even earn rewards by running a storage node or participating in network validation. That gives users not only utility, but also income potential. Security is another major plus. The Crust wallet is non-custodial, meaning you own your keys and your data. It's also compatible with Polkadot and substrate-based assets, allowing users to interact with multiple networks from one place. The interface is clean and practical, giving you access to balance tracking, staking management, and governance voting, all with just a few taps. Now, let's talk about the cons. The biggest one is complexity. Crust operates in the intersection of blockchain and decentralized storage, so for beginners, the concept might feel overwhelming. Another drawback is the limited ecosystem adoption. While Crust is growing fast, its network and dApps are still smaller compared to giants like Ethereum or Solana. This means fewer integrations and a narrower user base for now. In conclusion, the Crust Wallet app is a game changer for those who believe data freedom should be decentralized. It's ideal for tech-savvy users who want control over their digital storage and crypto. But if you're after a simple, trading-focused wallet, it might not be your best fit. Crust is paving the way for a future where your files and your freedom truly belong to you.